guys. All right, take a quick moment and talk to you guys all about this photography stand that I have that's going to be absolutely great for taking pictures of like smaller things and items. So this is what you're going to get. So you have the tripod, and one thing I really like with this, you guys, the tripod, you can just tell it's really strong and sturdy. I feel like it's just so much more durable than other ones out there. And then you have this piece. So I already like disconnected that. So we're going to set this right there. Then we're going to, let's see, put the washer on it. There we go. And then put this through there. And so this is going to be nice because this is how we're going to be able to attach these. And you guys, you get 14 of these, okay? And I want you guys to see this. Like, they are so pretty, just like how the gradient is in those. These are going to be 34 by 23, okay? So very nice and large. All right. This is also going to be able to extend up as well. So you're really going to be able to make sure that it's going to be perfect for you. And all you have to do is just take whatever color you want. But you guys, look at this. So step aside so you can see that side. And then you have that side. So it's super, super pretty. All right. And all you have to do is just then take these and just attach it right on top. And then you have your backdrop. And then there you have it. And then bring this down, and then you're going to be able to take your picture. So as you see, when you get it, it rolls up really tight. So you could just take some tape to be able to tape it down. Or if you want, roll it completely the other way and maybe hold it for a moment. And then you can see, look at that. Now it is nice and straight. And the other nice thing too is they're going to be very nice and easy to be able to clean. They're going to be waterproof and dustproof. But overall, these are absolutely amazing. So definitely recommend going and getting them.